If you wind up a parent, what are you going to see? An adult moving ever so swiftly. Well, after you've wound up the key, what if you wind up a parent and you just keep on turning the key? Well, you crank it too far, there you are, with too much responsibility. Well, you're running after toddlers, you're running late for school, shivering with your daughter in the community pool. Baby Beluga, that's your favorite song. Yeah, you find yourself singing it all day long. And of the 500 things you're hoping to do, well, your life has come down to discussions of poo. Poo in the diaper, poo on the floor. There's no poo in the toilet, but that's what toilet training's for. And breastfeeding tips you share on your blog. You drink one more coffee, you're out the fog. And you're wound up, you're wound up, well, you're wound up. Well, you're drinking red wine out of sippy cups. Your baby won't nap, your toddler won't settle. For all this work, you might be getting a medal. You pile up the dishes, you mop up the floor. You do load laundry, you run to the store. You're changing diapers all day long. Well, you grab another coffee, please make it real strong. You're reading a story, now you're singing a song. And you're hoping on hope that nothing goes wrong. 'Cause you're wound up. Someone started turning that sound up. You breastfeed mama, trying not to go sour. You wake up to feed him every other hour. You're tired, so tired it's the middle of the night. Your clothes are feeling loose, your skin's feeling tight. Despite it all, despite everything, you wouldn't want to change a single thing. So now that you've wound up a parent, that's right, who are you going to be? Loving a child with all your heart, unconditionally. Hey, you didn't know you could love quite this big, 24/7. Yeah, that's the parenting gig. And your life feels so crazy, your life feels so good. You're running on love, but you're knocking on wood. So now that you've wound up a parent, your life measured by moments of grace, a crooked grin, a teething ring, you wouldn't change a thing for that look on your sleeping child's face. 'Cause you're wound up, now you're wound up, well, you wound yourself to wind up parent. You can't cover it up, it's so transparent. You love the crazy beautiful life that you live. You love the crazy beautiful gifts you can give. Well, you're so darn happy, it makes you weep. You just wish you had a little more sleep, and now they're all grown up. Doesn't seem easier, tuition fees climbing, makes you queasier. Your kids are talking about kids of their own. They're going to buy a great big house with a great big loan. Or they're going to buy a little house with a great big loan. You're still a parent, it's never too late. And the good news is you graduate. You can't remember all the parenting stuff that you did, all that parenting stuff that you did, all that parenting stuff that you did. And now you're gonna have, wait for it, grandkids. Woo! That's right, grandkids. Well, baby Beluga in the deep blue sea. Well, you swim so wild, yeah, you swim so free. way down yonder where the dolphins play. It's where you dive and splash all day. Well, when it's dark and you're home and fed, you curl up snug in your water bed. Good night, little whale. Good night, little whale. We're going home. Curled up snug, baby beluga in the deep blue sea. There it is. Wind up parent.
Thanks, Gary.
Thanks, Jan.